Hi guys, so I wanted to come on and share this recipe for this zucchini veggie spiral spaghetti that I'm making. So as you all can see, here are my ingredients. I got some organic turkey, mushrooms, zucchini veggie spirals, some marinara sauce, some three pepper with onion blend, and just some other additional raw onions. Here are my seasonings that I use. As you guys can see, I'm not going to go through every seasoning. You all can see the packaging. I'm about to get started frying the meat. Next, I'm just going to add in several of my seasonings. Very quick, so it's just over done. So here I am just adding in some mushrooms to my ground turkey meat. I'm typically not a fan of mushrooms, but I decided to give them a try this time. So now I'm adding in some of that 3 pepper and onion blend to my mushrooms and ground turkey. Gonna get that sauteing nice and good. Just breaking up my meat here, get it in smaller pieces so it'll be easier to eat once it's complete. So this big huge chunk of onions and peppers was being a super pain in the butt to break up, but I still kept tackling it. I just continued to let my ground turkey, peppers, onions, and mushrooms cook down, and then I added in some raw onions to the mix. As you all can see, I add seasonings multiple times while I'm cooking. I just really feel like it helps to flavor the meat, and any toppings that you add in over, your additional meat I am careful not to make my things too salty, so believe it or not, this was not too salty. It was just right. It took all of this seasoning that I added in to just make it, boil down and just really have a nice, robust flavor to it. Love this basil magic stuff that I got from E. Marie Eats. You can find her on Instagram. Yes, I'm just stirring my mixture around once again, just to make sure I get everything coated nice and good, and just make sure the oil gets on it. And I will obviously, continue to let everything cook down. So at this point, I'm just adding in my marinara pasta sauce that I got from Publix. Get that on there nice and good. If you know, you always also got to add in a little water using the same jar that your pasta sauce came out of. This will help your meat and sauce it will prevent it from sticking. So you can get a nice, little boil down. Look at that, you guys. Those peppers, that onions, it just looks so good and tasty. So now I'm just bringing my mixture to a boil, just to again make sure all the flavors of everything is nice and infused together. So that's what we're doing right now. It's time to add in the zucchini veggie spirals. This is new for me. I normally don't always, add in spirals, but I definitely wanted something, that was a little healthier. So here we are adding those in because they don't take as long to cook. Yes, that's right. More seasoning again. Hit them with that basil magic to top those zucchini noodles and make sure they come out right. I learned from my husband it's important to add salt in as you're cooking. That way it can boil down and you won't get all the bad effects of, the sodium and everything. And pink Himalayan salt is a good alternative just to regular iodized salt if you haven't tried it. Just giving the spaghetti meat mixture its final stirs as we begin to get towards the end part of this cooking demonstration.
Some spaghetti with zucchini noodles.
I see it.
You see it? Oh no.
Let's get a nice close-up of this delicious looking mixture. My mouth is starting to water and I'm getting so super excited to taste it. So here we have our finished product. I've put it in a bowl. Look at that, you guys. I'm so excited to taste this. So it's the next day and I decided that even though it was good the previous night, I wanted to add in some whole grain spaghetti noodles just to make the spaghetti mixture more hearty. I also decided to add a little ketchup and cane sugar to my spaghetti mixture. Here's my spaghetti day 2 with the ketchup and sugar. And I did add on a little bit of Parmesan cheese and I got some wheat thin crackers that I'm enjoying with this today. Thanks so much for tuning in to this Cook With Me episode for the spaghetti with zucchini noodles. Please remember to hit the like button. Please subscribe. And please also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime that I upload videos. Take care wherever you are. And be sure to make the best out of whatever you have. Bye.